This one, as you can see, we have the scratches here. Then I show you our solution in that case where you have scratches. For sand the scratches, we have, the first we have our fantastic DEROS RS, the machine, the new one. It's really quite silent, easy, and safe. Regarding the abrasives, we have two lines, Abralon and Abranet SiC. SiC means silicon carbide. With Abralon, we have 5 grits where we can use. With Abranet SiC, we have 6 grits. The difference is if you have the flat glass, we use Abranet SiC until 400, and we go on with Abralon. If you have on the cars like the not really flat glass, it's better if you use Abralon. In that case, probably we start with the grit 360, and after we will see. To avoid the risk to have waves or the wrong imaging, you have to send a really wide area, not to stay narrow to the scratches, remember. Scratch is gone. Now, we have to reduce the sanding process with the other 3 grits. 500, second step. All the time, when you sand with the second grit, you have to sand wider, like 3 or 4 centimeters more, to reduce the risk to see the waves. And please remember all the time dry sanding, not too wet, dry sanding. Last grit 1000. You have to see it's really fast the process, it's not really, but you remember we had the small scratches, we sand the big area. Glass cleaner. We take again our fantastic POLAROS, the new one, I love this machine. Remember, E3, only for glass compound, specific for glass polishing. And you start. First time you have to be sure the compound is go everywhere. You can see the edge of machine, don't destroy it. Gummy, this is really important on the car. You can adjust the speed. You have to go slowly and in regular way. This is our fantastic loop wool part. You can wash with the cold water and you can use many, many times. You don't need any chemical product, only water, remember. Scratch is gone. Easy, fast. And this is the situation where I normally say, wow. Thank you. Have a nice time.